The 2025 electric pressure washer 4200 is designed to tackle even the toughest cleaning tasks with its impressive 4,200 pounds per square inch of water pressure and 3.2 gallons per minute of water flow. With 4 quick connect nozzles ranging from 0 to 40 degrees and a foam cannon, this washer offers versatility for any cleaning challenge, from high and hard-to-reach spots to large surface areas. The pressure regulating gun allows for easy adjustment between low, medium, and strong settings, eliminating the need to constantly return to the machine for pressure changes. Featuring a telescopic handle and wheels, the washer is easy to maneuver and store, with convenient storage compartments and hooks for organized cable management. Equipped with a total stop system and safety child locks, this washer ensures user protection and extends the machine's lifespan by preventing unnecessary wear. The Ueria brand's attention to detail is evident in the washer's thoughtful design, making it a reliable choice for both residential and commercial cleaning tasks.